All right, y'all. Welcome to this Facebook Live, and here with some folks. And by the way, congratulations to y'all here, class of 2020. Let me say 2021. My bad. I made a mistake, y'all. Stuck in the past for some reason. So anyway. Oh yeah. So you on the show? You want to be on the show? You want to be on the show? Oh, you're on the Dominoes 7 show. Everybody else on the Dominoes 7 show, how y'all doing? Congratulations to y'all children there. All right, so anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I enjoyed myself and Blossom and enjoyed, well, Aisha, I should say. You on the show? Hello. Certificate, yeah. All right. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right. And the proud father right here.
What's up with it, man? I'm happy for my daughter. Yo.
All right, that's what I'm talking about.
Hold up.
Oh.
I'm proud of my daughter. Yo.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
I'm proud of this. And the
Yep.
education gonna keep going.
Yeah, and I guarantee. And you know, some of them students I looked at, they're gonna be doctors, lawyers. So some of y'all gonna be doctors, lawyers, and basketball players.
I'm so proud of my grandbaby.
All right. Yeah, they're gonna be good basketball players, cheerleaders, all that.
All right. Come on, man.
I guarantee y'all. Oh, of course. He in the show. He in the show. All right, y'all have a blessed day, y'all. Congratulations to y'all, to y'all kids. Oh, y'all want me on the picture? All right.
You want me to?
Oh, I'm videoing.
You want me to video you?
I already. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. See y'all later.